Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you an unboxing first look of the Maserin Cutlery Plow Sodbuster. This will be a exclusive knife to collectorknives.net. I will put the link down below if you're interested in this knife. But please keep in mind that at the moment when you are watching this video, uh, the model could be out of production or out of shop or not available because these are made by Maserin to order for this knife reseller. So the model number is CK0314NM. This is the natural canvas micarta variant, and I really like the box. It looks like prescription medication. Here we can see that yes, this is made by a well-established Italian knife company that was founded in 1960. Really nice. So inside the box we have our warranty information, maintenance, so on. If you have any questions, you can also write them or even call them, and they still have effects. Really nice to see in 2021. Okay, so basic packaging, nothing special in there. Everything was kept to a minimum to give you the best possible offer. And the story goes as I must tell you that this is the second run, or should I say second offering that they came up with the owner of the collectorknives.net. So the first run was made in a budget sort of way. So he told them that try to make me a Sodbuster type slip joint for around $35 to $40, and they came up with some really nice wood versions. Those sold very well, and then they asked them if they could, let's say, up the quality. He asked for a price range for around $55, and this is what they came up. So he was really impressed and did order 4 different micarta variants, so different colors, and 1 wood. Okay, so let me give you the specifications really quick. So we have an overall length of 18.5 centimeters or 7.3 inches. The blade length is 8.2 centimeters or 3.2 inches. The blade width is 1.7 centimeters or 0.6 inches. The blade thickness is 2 millimeters or 0.08 inches. The handle length is 10.4 centimeters or 4.1 inch. And the thickness is 1.2 centimeters or 0.5 inches. So the cutting edge on this one is 7.2 centimeters or 2.8 inches. There is a slight difference because how the stop feature is implemented in this knife. So the materials used on this one, we have D2 with a nice drop point and stonewash finish. So this is probably the way to go, like I try to mention in lots of my videos. If you're making a EDC knife, so not a dress knife but a knife that meant to be used, carried and abused to a certain level, of course, then stonewash is the way to go. So thank you for that. So we have full stainless steel liners. They are not skeletonized any sort of way. We have stainless steel, of course, back spring. And on this one we have nice natural canvas micarta, which are only slightly buffed, but not oiled or any kind of finishing is applied on them. They used a a micarta with a little bit larger weave pattern than the most canvas micartas are, but definitely has a really nice character. So also a big improvement. Well, let's say if you are considering any traditional slip joints, they are pinned. These are really screwed. You have a screwed construction, so you can tension the pivot if you like. We have a 90-degree half stop, and the snap is really nice. The pull is really light, so medium light. They have marked it on the website as 5 out of 10 if you consider 10 being a nail buster. So definitely no problems there. Standard opening method, you have a nail leg opening right there. On the blade we have Maserin logo and the to Italy. Other side there is nothing. So the pattern, they call it the Plow Sodbuster. As far as I know, the term Sodbuster is trademarked by Case Company, Case Knife Company. So therefore, everything that is called Sodbuster has to have something before or after. I don't know the exact politics. Maybe somebody who knows can chime in and leave a comment down below so that we all know. So, but yeah. And also, since these are made in Italy, then definitely there are different sets of rules or laws that are implying there, not considering the US law, probably. But definitely, this is a really nice version. So if you don't want to pay an arm and leg for a high-end Micarta Great Eastern Cutlery or Tiduit version of the knife, so around $200, then I was looking for around for a long time, since I found some let's say to bring you also and also to my collection something that is really nice and affordable. These are fairly priced at $51.32, so definitely they did go under the 55 mark that was set by the owner of the company, and still give you nice materials and fit and finish. Of course, there is a little bit spacing, but you can see it barely. No light shines through it, so there is probably the only thing. Let me zoom in. So there, but if you do not consider this, then these are really well made. And I'm still waiting that maybe at some point Rough Rider will release some nice Micarta Sodbusters in the future. Who knows? Who knows? We have definitely something similar with the black carbon fiber, sorry, black Micarta version that is released this moment, but no Sodbuster in that range. Okay, what I forgot to mention. So materials, yes. So weight, yes, so weight counts in 72.4 grams or 2.5 ounces. Like I mentioned, the variants consist out of burgundy micarta, brown micarta, blue micarta, bleach micarta. So there is something like really white yellowish type, and there is one wood version also. Okay, so let me show you the sharpness out of the box. So these are really nice and sharp. So excellent. Now let me give you a few size comparisons. Okay, so I did brought out of the box my Samsend, or this is also something that is sold under the Lord and Field brand, which is, if I'm not mistaken, the owner is the same person who owns the BattleBox subscription-based service. So for a few weeks or maybe a month, this was also available on AliExpress at a few resellers, but currently I could not find it anywhere. So I don't know why. Maybe they had only a few surplus of models that were not bought by the Lord and Field subsidiary, and they went with different brand logos. But as you can see, this is a nowadays Sodbuster type blade, which obviously will be a drop point, but the shape is it's really a Sodbuster type handle, but with a really nice backlock. So this was even cheaper. This was around 25, if I'm not mistaken, dollars. If you're interested to see the full video about this knife, then I have definitely check out my playlist, the knives meet Micarta, and it will be see there. But let's continue. So another really high value for your money is of course the working knife from Rough Rider. This is the model number RR2181, which is $16.99 from Smoky Mountain Knife Works. They are the distributor and the owner of the brand. So yes, you can definitely not beat the pricing. So if Rough Rider would make something like this in China, keep in mind that this is made in China, of course. All Rough Rider knives are made in China, and this is made in Italy. Yes, you are paying about triple the price, but yes, this cost of labor and materials. Now, let's see a true Sodbuster. This is the Sodbuster Junior from Case. So there you can see the size difference. This is probably would consider the medium Sodbuster, and somewhere around here I should have also. Let me grab also one from the Imperial brand. Okay, here's the Imperial model EMP22L. So this is definitely a large Sodbuster frame or model, but unfortunately it is really on the budget, so really cost effective. I don't have the right numbers in my head right now, but if you like, you can also check out the video about it, but sadly not Micarta. So okay, let us continue with. Here is my Case tribal lock. Also an excellent option if you like this frame is the 1512 from Brother Knives. So it will be a little bit larger, and it is a back lock. A little bit smaller is the 1509, which is a Lennis clip variant. Let us continue. Here is a Peanut from Rough Rider, a Texas toothpick from Buck, a Midnight Swirl medium Stockman, okay, let us continue with. Here's a Red Model 2, QSP Penguin, CVV Elementum, Rustic Gent from CVV. The same form factor is the Appalachian Drifter, but a non-locking detent ball version, which is also in a nice Micarta. And let's close it with, or should I? Let's have also a few more. So here is the small Griptilian, Here is the Spyro Delica. Red Model 1 in Micarta, which is a Knife Center exclusive. If you would like to have one. The Bonfire from Burger Plus. So this is definitely a, let's say, front flipper type. Also could be considered as a fusion of the modern and the traditional. Definitely had the styling of the Sodbuster drop point blade, but with a front flipper and liner lock. Also Micarta, of course, and steel. And here is the Baglighter 2 from Kaiser, and here's the Kaiser Pinch, and there should be probably enough. One more. Let's close it down with the K-Bar Dozier Folding Hunter, which is a really inexpensive and well-known EDC knife, lightweight. Okay, so let me conclude this video. So if you are looking for a really nice Micarta Sodbuster type knife and are willing to pay the $59.32, then check out collectorknives.net. They should be available in limited quantities, please keep that in mind. So I will put the link down below where you can find all the variants, and I know if this one will be available when you are watching this video, so sorry about that. If they are sold out, then the best way is probably contact them and ask if they could make a second run. They definitely did that in the past, where if knives sells really good, then they will order more. I don't know the specifics about how many of them are ordered in a single batch, so yes, if they sell out, they will probably order more. That being said, I would like to thank you for your time. Thanks for watching as always. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. If you are not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented, but sometimes there's other stuff regarding my own hobbies, so stay tuned for more. And with that being said, I would like to wish you a wonderful day, stay safe, and hope to see you soon. Bye.